A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, Corita County in west central Georgia, southern Clayton County in north central Georgia, Talbot County in west central Georgia, eastern Harris County in west central Georgia, western Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dunaway Gardens to near Loversville to near Warm Springs to near Upatoy, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Griffin, Fayetteville, Thomaston, Barnesville, Jonesboro, Zebulon, Talbot, Greenville, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Manchester, Sonoy, Grantsville, Woodbury, Mothersville, and Waverly Hall. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central, northwestern, and west central Georgia. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across portions of west central Georgia. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.